I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where your backup lives and why you want to delete it. Open WhatsApp Business, then tap the 3 dots and choose Settings. This gets you into Chats quickly. Once inside, go to Chats Chat Backup to view last backup details so you know what you will remove. Make sure you have the correct Google or iCloud account listed, otherwise you could delete the wrong backup. If the account differs, sign out and sign into the intended account now. Once done, you disable automatic uploads so deletion sticks. In Chat Backup, set backup to Google Drive to never or toggle off iCloud backups. Next, open Google Drive or iCloud on your device or desktop, go to Backups or Manage Storage, find the WhatsApp Business Backup entry and delete it. Confirm with your account password if prompted. After removal, go into your cloud account's permissions and revoke WhatsApp access. You finish by removing any local copies. Use your file manager to delete files in WhatsApp/databases or clear app storage in system settings. This eliminates offline backups. Then restart WhatsApp Business and revisit Chat Backup to verify there's no listed backup date. If you plan to start fresh later, keep a record of your account details. If something goes wrong, make sure you signed into the same cloud account used originally, check storage quotas, and re-grant or re-revoke permissions as needed to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.